Man, there must be 1,000 ways to do this, you know? So what I'm gonna do is show one way. This is a back-to-back lavatory, right? Okay. So what I need to do is concentrate on just having the pipe come out from this black hole. Let's call it a black hole down in this area. I mean, it's however the contractor's gonna build this thing. So all we need to do is concentrate on getting this information from the fixture up in the ceiling. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. This is one way of doing it. So this is our hot water. So I'm gonna come up, let's say 7 feet. Let's go up 7, 7, 7, come around. Well, you know, okay, so if we notice, I'm gonna change this to a wireframe, okay? Because this area is going to be hot water, which is hot water on our left, hot water on our right. We need to connect so that our fixture units can continue. So if you notice on the right, you see the dots? See the dots? Okay, so I know that that will be in line with. But before I do that, I want to change my elevation of my pipe to 7 feet. Okay, 7 feet. Copper, hot water, copper. Okay, so we got hot water. We are going to, we have a 1/2 inch coming off the back of our lavatory. I'm going to change this back so that it just seems a little better to me. So we pay attention to this area and we come up 7, right? 7 feet. Everything looks good, no slope. Hot water. 7 feet. So what I need to do is go back. If we look at our pipe, so what we want to concentrate on is having this space, this pipe, let's say. Okay, that pipe be as tight as possible. So I'm going to shift to the left, to the left, to the left, right, to the left, left, left. That might be tight enough, but we'll see. And because the right lavatory has been aligned with our pipe, I'm gonna come up. Let's say about here. Okay. And when we look at a section view, okay, it should be tight in this area also. Okay, let's go back. That's one way of getting the hot water. So we have 1/2 inch, and we should have 1.5 inch, 1.5 fixture units. Okay, and the fixture units should be built into your family. Okay, because in plumbing it is very, very, very important to track fixture units, whether they are water supply fixture units, drainage fixture units, right? Otherwise you're counting, recounting. Okay, so let's do cold water. Cold water I'm going to keep. Let's just make sure that we have cold water properties. Look at the blue, 1/2 inch, hot water. Let's change that cold water. Okay, we got cold water. And so we are going to keep this pipe at 5 feet. After we come out just a little bit, and now we go up. Let's go up 5 feet. Okay. And extend that out. Yeah, that's good. And around, yes. Okay. So now, one way of doing it is, which makes this look easier, right? So all I need to do is connect. Wait for the blue here. And that's an easy connection. So it looks like, so I'm not going to worry about, you see this would be an interference, right? We would go here and we will collaborate and interference check, right? We run a check on it, make sure that it's, say, the current project, right? And this current project, pipes, let's say pipes, right? No interference. Oh my God. Did I do that right? Let's see, let's do this again. Oh, pipes. And okay. No interference. Oh, I have to select them? Oh my. Okay, so we do this. Let's do here. I haven't done this in a while. So let's do these two. And elaborate, interference check. And we do these two. And it's going to tell us, oh my God. Interference check. Current project. Pipes. Pipe fittings. Current project. Pipes. Pipe fittings. Okay. There we go. Anyway, so I wouldn't. That's a waste of time. Let's close. So we have 1.5, which is all I care about at this point, and 1.5. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Okay.